Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the Image Studio in Artflow AI. Artflow AI's Image Studio is a powerful tool for generating AI-created artwork for simple text description. Whether you're designing the characters, landscape, or fantasy scenes, this tool helps bring your visions to life. First, start by describing what you want to create. The more details your prompt, the better the AI will understand your vision. For example, prompt a futuristic cityscape at night, glowing neon, signs, flying cars, and cyberpunk heroes standing on the rooftop. You can include the details about the colors, moods, lightings, and style for a more precise result. The Artflow AI offers a different artistic art styles to match your vision. It provides a realistic, a photo-like images with a high detail, fantasy, it is a dreamy, magical world, anime for vibrant and expressive characters, and cyberpunk for a high-tech, neon-lit aesthetics. So pick one that best your idea. Then hit the generate within seconds. Artflow AI will create your image. If you want to refine it, regenerate with a slightly different prompt. Edit with manual tweaks and adjustment. And once you're happy with the image, click download to save it. You can use it for projects, social media, or storytelling. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.